Hey guys, it's Sophia
and Mary,
and we are the Soul Sisters. And today we will be doing a slime review of kind of me and Mary's slime, but it's mostly Mary's. So
all of our slimes.
bye, Pop. Oh, never mind.
So let's
get started. So we got our first one. Well, behind the scenes, we picked one. Yeah.
You're gonna show. Okay, so it is a no. Sorry guys, Sophia dropped the camera.
So it is
Red with all different kinds of glitter in it.
like blue, silver, turquoise.
Pink,
Where's
yellow,
their pink? Where do you see pink?
Orange,
Where do you see pink in here?
gold, purple.
Oh, I see the pink.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see the pink, but it's that little tiny
Yeah,
dot
so
right there.
So
What?
I need a cupcake.
guys, I'm gonna go get a cookie. So see you later.
JK. We got
We
another
got the
slime.
next slime. Okay, guys. So
one
this
is
is Jiggly. It's blue with yellow sparkles. Oh, guys, want to hear a weird story? So when we were eating our cookie and cupcake,
Okay, Mary, I have red lipstick from the cupcake.
and I actually ate a cookie.
I actually ate Rudolph.
Yo, okay. So my mom was over there. She threw a towel, and then we had no idea where it was.
Oh.
We had no idea where.
Like first we thought it was a hanger, and she got it on there, but
Yeah.
then I went and asked her,
And then it was a towel. And I'm like,
that hit
where did that go?
It farts.
What the heck?
It farts.
Keep them entertained. I'm gonna go get my Pepsi. Pepsi.
What? From where? Where in your? She has a Costco in her house. How come I didn't know that?
From Costco.
Oh, for like that.
Okay, guys. So this slime it is not stretchy.
And when you try to stretch it, pieces come out. Look. I don't know if you guys see that.
So you can break the pieces up, and then
Mary, a big chunk just fell.
and then they won't come back together. Oh,
Ew.
So my mom, she went to this party for her work. You know the party for her work.
Okay, we're not gonna talk now. So let's see when. Okay, do it. Ready?
And
Ready?
one of the girls, I played with a gallon of slime because she had a gallon of slime.
Okay, you know what? I'm throwing this.
Yeah, just throw it away. Guys, we'll be back with the next slime in 3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Why did you snap?
Oh.
It's still going, Mary.
Oh shoot! Sorry, guys.
We are back with another slime.
No! You did it 3 times in the whole video. I'll take that part out.
You can't take a part out.
Yeah, you can. I can.
Okay, we're gonna take that part out.
Guys,
this is so
my
stretchy.
pudding. My green pudding. It's
Ready?
ghost pudding, guys. It's ghost pudding.
Guys, it's not slime. Just kidding. It's pudding.
It's ghost pudding.
Mary, I did.
Guys, I'm sorry. But okay. It doesn't matter to you, the tiny bit of glue, so I guess I'll eat it.
But borax is not edible. Just so you know.
Will I die?
I don't know.
What?
I mean, laundry detergent is edible. I think. I don't know.
Okay. Guys, I'll do it for you guys.
No, no. I don't want you to eat it.
I'm only eating that much.
Okay.
I'm so scared. Guys, I'm eating that much.
Okay, no, eat smaller.
No.
I feel bad. Eat this much. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I will never eat slime unless if it's edible.
I want to put some cornstarch in here. It's too runny.
Okay, guys.
Oh, that's a little too much. So we can add glue. No, not glue.
No glue, no.
Cornstarch, shaving cream, lotion,
Conditioner.
water. Same thing.
Except lotion doesn't go in your hair.
Well, it can.
It can, but you shouldn't.
Well, it doesn't go in
I'm gonna go get the next slime, so.
Nope. Ready? Set. We got our next slime. Okay. And it's this soda brick. And it's this white duck slime.
It's not a duck slime. It only had orange and. Now I get it.
So this is what it looks like. If you guys know what the hockey team of Ducks is, go Ducks. Sorry guys, I'm really bad at that.
Oh, my coach is a Kings fan.
Boo. Just kidding. She can like whatever she wants. Okay, so
Oh,
this slime's not stretchy.
yeah, it is.
That's if you go slow. Not like,
Oh,
don't get it on the jerseys.
I said stop.
Guys, never say that word in front of your parents. Never. Then
Every single time we play with slime, you're in your uniform.
not always.
You got slime on your uniform.
Where? No.
It'll come out in the wash. Did that actually? No, it didn't. That's
Oh, it came off a little bit.
tiny bit, barely. Guys, if he's trying to get slime off of her.
Okay, let's go on to the next one. Ready?
You're. Oh. I have to do.
Set. And we're back with we each have these slimes.
They are the newest slimes.
And these two are really runny. I don't know about this one. Is this one runny?
That one's stiff. Do you remember? Whoa.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this one.
Yeah.
'cause-
Then the runnies because I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna do white last, so darkest first. My purple.
I would do lightest first, then dark.
No. Because then the dark will get in the light and then change the colors. Oh.
You just explained why to do that first.
Okay, I'm gonna do my white one.
Alright, so this one.
It is actually stretchy if you go slow.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, good thing I didn't. That's it.
And mine is kind of a teal color. Who made this one?
Mine. Me.
Mine. Wait, when did you make it?
Remember when we?
Because you said only
actually-
on Fridays.
Yeah, that was a Friday. No, that was when we made one together before we disguised
So,
to
this
only
is this.
do.
Yeah, so I guess making slime we're only doing on Friday.
Yeah, so we're gonna do slime videos on Fridays and then like normal challenges.
On any day. So
We
we
should
will
probably do that on Monday. Cause
challenges.
yeah, that should be our schedule.
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 Oh, one day, if I get an iPod, we can hook mine up. If I get one for Christmas, then Monday, if we go to Sky Zone, we could do a video at Sky Zone. Remember, we did a video at Sky Zone. Guys, we might do a video at Sky Zone one day.
I know, but Madison's gonna have to get in for free. Because Jeff can only get one person in.
And Madison could get another one for free.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, that's good.
Alright, so this one's stiff.
This one is kind of stretchy and fluffy.
Alright, so I'm gonna move on to my next one.
Same.
Let's start off with the blue one. 'cause
I'm
I know
doing
that
my green one.
Because I know that this one's not that runny.
Oh. I barely did anything.
Alright, so this is, this one's stiff.
This one's really good.
So,
Wait, that one's stiff. Look. Oh, this one is so stretchy.
wait, sorry if you guys hear the container. So yeah, this one's stretchy.
Here, guys.
What was this?
I was trying to slime filter for them.
It's called a container. Wait, okay. Ready?
I'm just gonna move on to my next slime.
Ready? Okay.
To the next slime. And then we're just gonna show you a sneak peek of my the back, behind the scenes of all our slimes.
Then when we're done making slime on our last video, we're gonna reveal our secret and show all of the slime that we have, like, in front of us. This one's, oh my gosh.
Well, we're not gonna play with all of them. We're just gonna play with our favorites.
I know this one's gonna be. Oh,
Yeah, this
okay.
one's my favorite one.
This one's really good. I want this one.
This one is too.
Do I really have to pay for slime?
No.
Oh.
Get it free. Well,
Oh yeah,
buy one, get one free.
my friend wants one. My friend wants a slime for $5.
Daniela.
What's her name? Delaney. All I did is
What did you tell her?
I didn't tell her that we had a slime YouTube thing.
Then how does she?
I just told her that I had a lot of slimes in a slime lab. You.
Okay, then tomorrow she is gonna buy a slime, but you gotta. Wait, she's not coming over.
No. It's cool, bro.
And what slime will she want?
I gotta make this really
Oh, I
thick.
might put my slime on a website.
Cool.
Guys, I think that's the end.
Oh.
Ow.
Hold on. Let me just make this in and then we will wrap this video up.
Well, I'm gonna just go put my slimes away because Sophia is still playing with hers.
You mean yours? Guys, this is really sticky.
Yeah.
Don't worry. If it gets like this, it's normal.
It just means that it's getting better.
No, it doesn't. It just means that it's mixing in. See, this is really stringy and you might not want it anymore, but it's okay. Keep mixing it in. See, it's coming back together. Not really that stringy anymore. Wait, can you put these two away?
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
We literally wash our hands with shaving cream. Alright, this got it really stiff, so while you have it. Hey, how you doing? Thanks for responding.
Who's that?
Your mom. Going the wrong direction that way. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's put that slime away and then. Wait! Sneak peek.
Okay, let me
We're just
put
gonna
this
tell you guys
cool.
to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Let's see the behind the scenes. Guys, so I'm doing the behind the scenes right now. Sophia's putting her slime away.
Alright.
Guys, here it is. So, wait. I just edited it. So.